first thing we need to do is click on Totalflow and click on the Applications tab. After clicking on the Applications tab, we need to know exactly where to turn on the trending applications, so I'm going to drop down here to the Help button. And the Help button, I'm just going to scroll down here on the left hand side. You can see it says X Series G4, so I'm going to scroll down until I see the trending system. So right here at 95, trend system. So in my application list, I'm going to scroll down until I see application 95. And then I'm going to go ahead and click the spare and turn on the trend system and send it. So here's application 95 and my trend system. I'm just going to go ahead and find trend system there and go ahead and hit the send button. Okay, so after the trend system has been sent, over in the tree view here you should see trend system, and we've got a plus sign next to it. So if I hit the plus sign, I don't have anything built yet inside my trend, so there's nothing